Hey everyone! Wireframing often gets slowed down by small tasks, hunting for the right icon, sourcing placeholder images, cleaning up backgrounds. In this video, I'll show you how MIDA, your AI design assistant inside MockFlow, can handle all of that for you instantly. Inside the editor, open the Ask MIDA panel and just describe what you need. Type something like bell icon or video camera icon, then press enter. MIDA pulls up relevant options right away. Click any icon to drop it straight onto your canvas. No library browsing, no manual searching. And since these icons are fully editable, you can customize them just like any other element in your wireframe. Generating images works the same way. Type a prompt, say, doctor with a patient, and MIDA creates it instantly. Hit import image to save it to your MockFlow image library, and it's ready to use. To place it in your wireframe, click an image placeholder, select Pick Image from the toolbar, and choose your generated image from the library. Done. You can also hit Remove Background to clean up any image automatically, great for profile photos or product shots inside wireframes. Icons, images, background removal. These are just a few of the things MIDA can help you with while wireframing. We'll be covering more MIDA actions in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. See you then.